Right, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to read this amount. And then remember, we have to focus on the years. That's the next piece of information. Since time is at the bottom, at the end, I put that at the end of the work. Let's talk about 2.4%. Remember, you have to move it over twice. So the answer is 0.024, so that's going to go in the middle. And you need to enter that in exactly as it is on the calculator. So grab your calculator and use your parentheses, and that's going to give us the interest rate. Go ahead and do that now, and then let's go ahead and check and make sure you got the correct answer. Beginning amount times the rate, you move the decimal over twice, and remember that was for 6 years. So the total amount of interest that Richard earned was $792. And remember to box that in and put that on your answer sheet. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 is a multi-step problem because you need principal and interest. So what we are going to do is we are going to look at the beginning amount. And the beginning amount is $47,300. And remember the rate is 3%, but you have to move the decimal twice, so it's 0.03. And he did that for 4 months, so that's a whole number of 4. So again, you're going to put that in on your Inspire just like that with the parentheses. So he has a total of $5,676 in interest. And I'm clouding that in because remember this is a multi-step problem. That's just the interest, but they want to know the total amount paid back. So remember, if the beginning balance was $47,300, you're going to add the interest. And when you add that, you get a total of $52,976. Let's take a look at number 5. Number 5 is a single step problem. So remember, you have your formula, plug in what you know, leave out what you don't know. I know the beginning amount was $6,000. And remember, the interest was 7%, but you have to move the decimal over twice. When you type that in your calculator, you get a total of $420. Now on number 8 again is a multi-step problem. So for number 8, let's go ahead and plug in what we know. Let's start with a formula. We know the principal amount was $48,000 and it had a 12% interest rate, so that is going to be 0.12 for the rate. When you multiply all of this together, you get a total interest of $23,040. And remember, we are going to put a cloud around that because this is a multi-step problem. I have to go back and add the original amount, and the original amount was $48,000. When you add both of those together, you get $71,040. Don't forget to put that on this sheet. And do the starred ones on your own.